I want to talk about is the artist part. And I want to discuss about one of the artists called Mary McGregor. I won't discuss much because fortunately uh, she is still with us, and uh, I don't want to give any more, or don't want to say anything more than that what is available on Wikipedia. So she is a very well-known artist in America, an American singer who in 1976 sang a song Torn Between Two Lovers. And she actually recorded in late 1976 and it became a smash hit in February 1977. Now that affected her life. So before we read this, before we go over there, let's go into her Kundali. So Mary McGregor, pretty much her Lagna is in Magha and her Mars is also in Magha. Now this is her photo. Now if you look at it, it pretty much doesn't it look like a lion? Her hairstyle is like a lion, right? 11th house, what she was famous for is a Venus kind of industry. Singer, Billboard chart. So she attained, she got famous because of that, right? So Venus. So in Briksha, Pada 4. So something broke open and gave her something due to which she was able to write a song torn between two lovers. Venus in Pada 4. Now Pada 4, once again, as I told you, is the Pada related to the eternal, Kal to Mahakal, and it is basically, in a way, it can punch a hole from relative dimension of time to the absolute dimension of time. So something punched in, and she did this song, though not written by her, but she sang the song which became famous. So she came across this song, and that disturbed her life. Her Ketu, her future got disturbed, is in the third. Her communication, if you look at the Kal Purush Kundli, the seventh house is with the Ketu. So the life got disturbed for her because of some kind of communication. Okay, which kind of communication? Something that came out. But that came out from where? Something from the past. Something from the past that came out, some lyrics that came out, which she sang, due to which she got divorced. She became famous also, and she divorced also. She later married, and fortunately, everything is fine with her. A wonderful artist. But now, if you look at her lyrics and look at the story, what happened to her? Right? Somehow she got in. Her story resembles the story of Surya and Chaya, torn between two lovers. Right? Now, what happened with Surya and Chaya? Now, Surya and Chaya, what happened is Surya being so much, having so much of light, uh, was kind of blinding to his wife Sandhya. And so what she did is she created a image of her, a copy of her called Chaya. And Chaya used to take care of the kids while Sandhya went to earth for meditation or for penance. She went over there, and Chaya used to take care of Sandhya's kids. And though and one find and the kid, one of the kids, Yama, the Saturn, okay, the Saturn, his heart got broken, right? See, the Saturn is in Ashesha too. The Saturn, the heart got broken. Why the Yama's heart got broken? Because Chaya cursed him. And that's when Yama realized that this cannot be my mom. My mom cannot curse me. This is somebody else. And that's when Surya comes to know that this is not Sandhya, but this is Chaya, a copy of Sandhya. So that's the story of Ashwin Kumar as we know it, right? But they also had a child together, which was Mercury or Buddha in her 10th house. So perfectly repeating story of Surya and Chaya happening over here, manifesting over here on earth in front of our eyes. And this is one thing that I would like you to see. These three kundlis are wonderful, and this is a direct translation, especially Mary McGregor. This is, I feel, is the direct translation of Surya and Chaya story. Please let me know in the comment or email me, or if you disagree with me, let me know. It will be wonderful to hear from all of you. Thank you very much. Please do subscribe. And this brings an end to Shri Prag and Pati Maga Nakshatra related to